Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Kim and this is The Homemaker's Tale, and today I'm going to be making cookies in my Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher. This recipe is super simple and easy to clean up, especially if you do it right away. I can't stress that enough. Rinse the Power Pitcher right away and you will have no problems. Cold water works best. We are going to be making some chunky macadamia, white chocolate, and raspberry cookies. Should be pretty good. Let's go. To begin, we're going to have to install the dough blade into our Power Pitcher. And then we will be creaming the butter, sugar, and eggs together, along with the vanilla. I will put all of the ingredients in the comment section. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and a generous teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of butter. So that's like 1.5 sticks of butter. So just kidding. It's 3/4 cups of butter, which equals 1.5 sticks. And it's cut up into cubes and softened. Then we are going to place our lid on top. Turn our dial to the dough setting. And press go to cream all those ingredients together. Okay, to finish up our dough, we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda. After we get that lid on, we're going to hit that dough setting one more time. Now I'm just going to remove the dough blade. And scrape everything with the spatula, including the sides. That will all get mixed together when we add our fixins. Okay, so to the dough, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of salted and roasted macadamia nuts, 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips, and 3/4 cups freeze-dried raspberries. And I'm just going to give them a quick mix with the spatula right in the pitcher. When you've got your cookies all laid out on your parchment paper, pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 16 minutes. I like to let them rest on a cooling rack while I do the next batch. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
That's my cookie. Don't eat all of it.